What is up, guys? My name is Bailey and welcome back to another one of my videos. In this video, I'll be going over why I recently sold my Bitcoin on my Robinhood account. Now, before I jump into this video, if you guys enjoy this type of content where I talk about my Robinhood account and how much I have earned on my Robinhood account, whether it be through dividends, capital gains, what types of stocks and ETFs I've been currently buying. If you guys enjoy that type of content, please smash that like button for me so it helps me know that you guys enjoy this content and also helps my video rank better on the YouTube algorithm. Now, if you guys do that, it'll help me out a tremendous amount. And without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video and show you guys my Robinhood account. And let's go over what I have earned from selling my Bitcoin and when I have purchased and sold the Bitcoin. So as you guys can see, my overall account right now is sitting at $8,723.48. This is how much I have in my Robinhood account. That's including all the dividends I've earned, all the shares and fractional shares I have in my account, and also some of the buying power that I have been waiting for stocks and ETFs to go a little bit lower before I purchase. So as you guys can see, I have a total of almost $1,400 worth of cash ready to be used to buy even more stocks or ETFs. So let's go ahead and jump right into the Bitcoin to show you guys the current price for Bitcoin. If you guys want an update on my portfolio, I'll do that in a separate video, but for this video, I'll specifically talk about Bitcoin and why I sold it. So today is August 9th, and Bitcoin at its current price is at $11,992. So it's hovering around $12,000 for Bitcoin on August 9th. Now, if you scroll down a little bit on my account, it'll tell you when I purchased and when I sold Bitcoin. So as you guys can see right here, I spent $150 worth of Bitcoin and I bought it at $9,929. That's when I spent the $150. Now, I know that's not a ton of money into Bitcoin, but I wanted to dip my feet into Bitcoin to kind of see if it's even worth investing even more money into Bitcoin. And overall, when I did that, Bitcoin continued to drop. I did not get any earnings from Bitcoin, but as you guys can see right there on July 27th, which was about a week and a half ago, Bitcoin was at 11,160. So I sold it at that price and I got $168.59. So I made a total of $18.59. So that return isn't amazing for the amount of time that I held onto Bitcoin and the amount of risk that I had as well. So as you guys can see, from May 7th through July 27th, that's a little bit over 2 months, almost 3 months. And for me to only earn $18, that's not even worth the investment to make $18 within 3 months. That's me making about $6 every single month. Now that return is not great. So I wanted to test the waters. If you guys look at the entire graph, if you go back to July 27th, so let's go back a month and to show you guys July 27th. So this is where it was at right here. So right now it's showing $10,931 because that's the average price at that day, but it did spike up. So I took the opportunity and I sold it there because I had opportunities in the past where I could have made some money, but then I waited and then it dropped even more. So I took advantage of it and I sold my Bitcoin to make a profit. And as you guys can tell, as of today, I could have made even more money if I held onto it, but I didn't think it was worth that risk. I just wanted to get rid of my Bitcoin because I held on it for so long and the return wasn't that great. Now I'm still pretty new to investing with Bitcoin, but there's no promise with Bitcoin. It is very volatile. You may earn a lot of money and you may lose a lot of money at the same time. It's very risky, so I would only recommend you to buy Bitcoin if you know what you're doing. I didn't know much about Bitcoin. All I knew was that the halving was about to happen and a lot of people were speculating that it was going to drive the price for Bitcoin up. So that's why I only invested $150 from my account into Bitcoin and I didn't spend any more than that. So I wanted to get rid of that $150 and to put it into some ETFs or hold onto it for cash for when those ETFs go lower, because usually those S&P 500 ETFs, they do continue to rise over time. And the ETF that I've been investing in is VOO, V-O-O, which is a Vanguard ETF that tracks the S&P 500. So that is something that I've been keeping my eye on. I have a lot of shares in VOO and I'll continue to invest my money into this ETF. I have been looking into other ETFs, but I'm solely focusing on the S&P 500 from Vanguard. So that is the reason why I sold my Bitcoin. If you guys have Bitcoin right now, I would probably recommend you to sell it. But like I said before, I'm not an expert with trading in Bitcoin. So if you guys have any inside scoop about Bitcoin or your speculations, or if you have more knowledge about it, let me know what you guys think about Bitcoin, whether to sell right now, if I sold at the wrong time, if I should have held on to it because it was gonna keep rising in price. I would love to know what the experts think about Bitcoin at the time right now during the pandemic. And how that has affected the Bitcoin price. So I want to keep this video pretty short. If you guys have any questions at all regarding this or anything I mentioned in the video, let me know in the comment section down below. And like I said before, if you guys enjoy this type of content, please smash that like button for me because it helps me out a tremendous amount and it helps my video rank better and it keeps me motivated to create more content for all of you guys. Now if you guys want to follow my journey on investing and earning more money through reselling and manufacturing products, hit the subscribe button down below and turn on post notifications so you guys don't miss any content I upload in the future. And like always, I'll catch you guys all in the next video. Peace.